You know, some days are more difficult than others to get up and get going. I had a couple of days where my mind was telling my body, you don't want to get up this morning, you don't want to move. But I had to speak to myself in my spirit and says, you get up and you move. You don't stand still, you got to keep going. Just like water, you got to keep flowing. Water becomes stagnant, it's really no good for us. We can't even drink it. So our bodies become the same way. We just have to keep moving. As Genesis moved into Exodus and into the exile, and Moses needed help leading the people, and God allowed him in his stumbling to have help. You know, the Bible tells us two are better than one. I spent last week in great collaboration with wonderful women where the two are better than one came alive. And this morning, I'm sure it's the same. I'm sure there's women out there walking all over the place and going to the gym and exercising and getting the temple in shape, mind, body, and spirit. So no matter what the mind says, you speak to your mind, and it's okay. Sometimes I actually speak it out loud. Okay, Anna, get up and go. So last week I also spoke about two of my habits. One is read something inspirational in the morning. Two is to take a walk. And Sunday is really a day of rest and restoration, praise and worship. It's a day of fellowship. And so on Sunday is typically a day, and it has been for many years, for family, fellowship, fun, and focus. So look, be courageous. Just keep moving, one step in front of the other, one situation in front of the other, leaving behind what's behind us and only reflecting on those things. So it's Monday. Happy Monday to you, and look, have a great week, but we'll be chatting sometime soon. Bye-bye now.